हाय। इस वीडियो में हम मेथड्स ऑफ टेस्टिंग मेरिट को किस तरह से टेस्ट किया जाता है, क्या क्या मेथड है, वो सभी चीज़ें हम आज की इस वीडियो में जानेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। वी हैव सीन दैट इन मोस्ट कंट्रीज अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ सिविल सर्वेंट आर मेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ मेरिट एंड एबिलिटी। द क्वेश्चंस the question therefore arise as to who should test the merit and what method of testing and determining merit should be adopted. It is accepted in all countries that the administration of recruitment by merit principle should be entrusted to the central, impartial, non-political and independent personal एजेंसी, जैसे कि यूपीएससी हो गया, यूनियन पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन हो गया। तो क्या है, अपने देश के अंदर एक ऐसी एजेंसी होनी चाहिए फॉर टेस्टिंग द मेरिट, जो कि एक सेंट्रली पूरी कोऑर्डिनेट की जा सकती है और वो इम्पार्शियल हो, किसी के साथ भेदभाव ना करे, कोई उसमें पॉलिटिकल कोई भी इंटरफेरेंस ना हो, नॉन पॉलिटिकल बॉडी हो और इंडिपेंडेंट पर्सनल एजेंसी हो। तो ऐसी है यूपीएससी। ओके, द मेरिट एंड एबिलिटी ऑफ द कैंडिडेट आर टेस्टेड बाय द सच सेंट्रल पर्सनल एजेंसी अपॉइंटेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट। तो ये यूपीएससी एक बॉडी बनाई गई, एक एजेंसी बनाई गई, जो कि मेनली एज पर द मेरिट वो सिलेक्ट करती है कैंडिडेट को। द मेरिट ऑफ द कैंडिडेट इज नॉर्मली टेस्टेड बाय adopting any one of the following combination of the following method। देखिए, written examination is the most common method adopted for testing intelligence, memory, knowledge, imagination and capacity for logical representation of information। तो रिटर्न एग्जामिनेशन कंडक्ट की जाती है, ये बहुत कॉमन मेथड है, जो कि फॉर टेस्टिंग द इंटेलिजेंस, मेमोरी, नॉलेज, इमेजिनेशन एंड कैपेसिटी, ये सभी के लिए ये रिटर्न एग्जामिनेशन की जाती है। और रिटर्न एग्जामिनेशन ये दो टाइप की होती है, एक तो फ्री आंसर ऐसे टाइप या शॉर्ट आंसर ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप। ऐसे टाइप एग्जामिनेशन आर कॉमन इन इंडिया। द क्वेश्चन पेपर कंटेन अ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस। The candidate have to write fairly long essay type answer in 2 to 3 hours. In this method, the candidate is tested in regard to his general intellectual capacity, factual information, power of expression, memory, caliber of logical analysis, and clarity of thought. But there is one difference about essay type examination system. Its assessment is difficult and subjective depending upon caliber of the examiner. It is not objective। तो जो ऐसे टाइप होगा, इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपसे आप आपके साथ टेस्ट की जाएगी, जिसमें आपकी कैपेसिटी हो सकती है, फैक्चुअल इंफॉर्मेशन हो सकती है, पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन हो सकता है, आप किस तरह से एक्सप्रेस करते हो किसी भी चीज़ को, मेमोरी कितनी है आपकी, हाउ मच फैक्चुअल थिंग यू पुट अप इन योर आंसर। देन कैलिबर क्या है आपका लॉजिकल एनालिसिस का, कितना आपका थॉट प्रोसेस है, कितनी क्लियरली आप कोई चीज़ें बता सकते हो। दैट इज इन द फ्री आंसर और ऐसे टाइप आंसर राइटिंग। Then the other type of examination is the short answer, that is objective type. The question paper contain large number of questions requiring short answer to be given within a prescribed time. Candidate is asked to indicate whether given statement is true or false, to point out correct answer, give series of answer, to fill up the blank with correct words, match the different statement correctly. The candidate is not required to write long answer but tick mark the question sheet itself. This type of objective written examination is useful for testing the candidate factual information and correct knowledge, and at the same time his capacity of quick judgment and memory also. Making an assessment of such type of objective test are objective and less leave no room for the examiner's subjective judgment। तो ये टोटली डिपेंड करता है कैंडिडेट के ऊपर, हाउ मच फैक्चुअल थिंग ही नो इट एंड हाउ मच ही आंसर इट। इट इज cheap and reliable and fair method for testing the ability and capacity of a large number of candidates. Then both this type of written examination are followed in different countries. At higher level where knowledge, expression, logical thinking are necessary, essay type of examination are preferred. At lower level, where the number of candidates is very large, objective type examination are preferred. Sometimes written examination are designed to test the general knowledge, ability, intellectual caliber of the candidate. In India and Britain, written examination are held in some compulsory paper like general knowledge, general English, etc. At the same time, candidates are also examined in some optional academic paper of their choice, mostly draw from the curricula of the college or university system. Philosophy behind this type of written examination is that intellectual capacity is more important than the specialized knowledge in administration. It is believed that an intelligent and sharp person is useful for all kind of administrative functions. So for that, this short type or objective type question is not necessary in every type of examination. For checking the intelligence and philosophy, the essay type examination is conducted. This philosophy is not accepted in countries like USA and France, where written examination are designed to test the candidate knowledge of the specific subject related to particular need of different service or post. For example, appointment to police department, a knowledge of law, criminology, geography, and for recruitment in finance department, candidate must have the knowledge of the finance, accountability, accountancy, economic, etc. So these are tested through the written examination. Therefore, in this country, the combined competitive examination like India are not possible. Separate examination have been held for different services. In USA, for different service, different examination is conducted. USA और फ्रांस के अंदर अलग अलग सर्विस के लिए अलग अलग एग्जामिनेशन कंडक्ट की जाती है. अगर कोई कैंडिडेट अगर सिलेक्ट अगर कोई कैंडिडेट पुलिस के लिए अप्लीकेशन फिलअप करता है तो उसको पुलिस से रिलेटेड जो भी आवश्यक जो भी नॉलेज होगा उसका चेक किया जाएगा. एंड फॉर द फाइनेंस रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन आस्क इन द एग्जामिनेशन. Then oral test, or we can say interview. Written examination cannot reveal the personality or personal quality of the candidate. Yes, written examination रिवेल नहीं करता है, बताता नहीं है कि पर्सनालिटी किस तरह की है या उसकी पर्सनल क्वालिटी क्या है उस कैंडिडेट की. इसीलिए इन ऑर्डर टू सक्सेसफुल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पर्सन रिक्वायर सर्टन क्वालिटीज लाइक पेशन, इनिशिएटिव, प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड, alertness, power of decision making, clarity, leadership qualities. This quality cannot be tested by written examination. Therefore, oral test is necessary to correct the weakness shortcoming of written examination. Then oral test or interview are different types. For example, oral test taken in the universities is just a conversation between the candidate and examiner, which is called the voice walk test. Okay, वाइवा बोलते जिसको. Interview taken for recruitment in the administrative service are intended to assess the total personality of the candidate and supplemented the result of the written examination. Such interview are called the personality test. Sometimes interview are taken to eliminate the unfit candidate. Such interview are taken before the written examination. For specialized post under the interviewed by expert in the field of expertise, skill, knowledge are tested. Simultaneously, the experience and the past record work is also verified. All the above mentioned interview are held to assess the personality, personal quality, suitability of the individual candidate for the job. This simply possible through the system of written examination. In recent time, group tests are also becoming common. In many countries, group discussion, group meeting, group behavior tests are organized to test candidate personality, personal quality like behaviors, quickness, adaptability, leadership quality, confidence, initiative, all these are tested through the interview. Then performance test. There are some jobs which require skill and trained person in particular trade, craft or work. For example, mechanics, driver, stenographer, typist, electrician, etc. In this, selection of the candidate for the post performance टेस्ट आर टेकन. तो इसमें परफॉर्मेंस ज़रूरी है, स्किल ज़रूरी है. फॉर टेस्टिंग देयर स्किल एज पर द रिक्वायर्ड जॉब इज नेसेसरी. द कैंडिडेट आर आस्क्ड टू परफॉर्म द actual work to show how well they can do it. The performance test may be supplemented by written test to assess their knowledge, technical term, tools, method, etc. तो परफॉर्मेंस टेस्ट किया जाता है आफ्टर द रिटन एग्जामिनेशन और वी कैन से इंटरव्यू. देन नेक्स्ट स्टेप एज पर द जॉब प्रोफाइल द परफॉर्मेंस टेस्ट इज कंडक्टेड. Then evaluation of the past record. There are many posts for which written examination interview are not suitable. Specialized and technical post जैसे कि legal हो गया, medical, engineering, scientific and similar other service are filled up by assessing the qualification, experience, past record of the work of the candidate. Or applicant who fulfill the minimum required qualification are asked to produce their relevant document regarding their qualification, past experience and service record. Okay, so all these are also very important in the process of the recruitment. The board of experts assess their evidence produced by the candidate and make selection after personally meeting and interviewing the candidate. This method is followed for the appointment of the high level scientific, technical, specialized post in the government service. University teacher are also recruited by this same method. Okay, so these are the some of the most evaluating method. Then physical fitness, very important. It is necessary that government servant must have good health. If they are not physically fit, they cannot give their best to the service. So therefore almost it is compulsory that every person has to undergo medical examination before joining the government service. Only after obtaining the certificate of the physical fitness, person finally selected. Apart from this, okay, physical tests are compulsory for the recruitment in the police, armed force and manual and the field service. So for this post the candidate must clear the physical fitness. Then psychology test, very important. In recent time, psychological test has become introduced in many countries. It is considered to be necessary to test intelligence, mental caliber, mental maturity of the candidate to be recruited in the higher position. Similarly, aptitude of the candidate is also tested by the adopting modern psychology test. Okay, psychological test is only the supplemented other type of test. It is not full-fledged and independent method of selection. We want to conclude that merit system of recruitment is common in all the countries. In this portion of our unit, we have studied different method of testing merit like written examination, interview, performance test, evaluation of the past record of the work, physical fitness, psychological test. ये सभी बहुत ज़रूरी होती है, ठीक है, for selecting the candidate as per the job. All these methods are made use for the recruitment the suitable and able candidate in the government service. अल्टीमेट पर्पस क्या है सबका, बेस्ट पर्सन रिक्रूट करना है हमें सर्विस के अंदर, ठीक है. तो ये था अलग अलग टाइप के मेथड. ओके, अलग अलग टाइप के टेस्ट. फिर जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम क्या पढ़ेंगे, इसेंशियल ऑफ द गुड रिक्रूटमेंट सिस्टम. तो इसेंशियल्स ऑफ अ गुड रिक्रूटमेंट सिस्टम, क्या क्या इसेंशियल रिक्रूटमेंट होती है. ओके, मतलब गुड रिक्रूटमेंट सिस्टम में क्या क्या इसेंशियल होती है, क्या क्या चीज़ें ज़रूरी है. तो ये सब चीज़ें हम जानेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, ठीक है. तो मेनली हम क्या पढ़े आज की इस वीडियो में, हम पढ़े डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मेथड फॉर टेस्टिंग द मेरिट. हम मेरिट किस तरह से, मेरिट कैंडिडेट किस तरह से टेस्ट करेंगे, मतलब अच्छा कैंडिडेट किस तरह से. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.